Why should you play piano? This is a question that some people ask me, like, why should we play piano? Why not we play guitar or violin or flute or saxophone or some other instrument? Well, I would say if you already signed up to my course, you probably already know the answer to that. Like, you actually want to learn piano, you have a desire. I believe it's simple as you enjoy making music. You enjoy making something on the keyboard. You enjoy making sound or making melodies. It's 10 times funner to play a song than to listen to a song. But why piano itself? Why not different instruments? Well, a piano is a really unique instrument. Piano has a huge, wide range of dynamics. It has a wide range of notes and octaves that you could have a whole band in the tips of your fingers. Most instruments can only play one sound, one noise, one sound, one melody, like vocal or flute or saxophone. You can only play one note at a time. But piano, you could play many notes at a time, and you could create chords. You could structure. You can make orchestral scenarios. You can make it's a really unique instrument. Like, there's the organ, the harpsichord, and the piano where you can do this. But the piano is the most popular out of all the choices. Piano is the most comfortable. Even if you have a keyboard, something like this, you could have flutes in here, you could have oboes, you could have clarinets, you could have all the instruments in a keyboard. So a piano, if you learn how to play piano, you can learn how to play all the other instruments, because piano is the basic foundation of music theory. You understand music, you will understand all the instruments. And piano is a great place to start. You could play piano, you could play accompaniment, you could play jazz, you could play melodies, you could compose music yourself, you could do it for work, you could teach, there's a lot of freedom with piano. So to wrap it up, why should you play piano? Because it's awesome.